Good morning students. This is ET faculty Mahesh from TSWRSJC Boys, Devarakadra, Mahbubnagar district. Today in our electrical technician course, we are going to study about paper 2, that is domestic appliances and rewinding. In this we have already started our first unit, introduction of domestic appliances. In previous class we have discussed about classification of domestic appliances as per IE standards. In that we have discussed about according to protection against electrical shock and also according to degree of protection against moisture. In today's class we are going to discuss about different tools used for maintenance, repair and assembling the domestic or electrical appliances. This is going to be a last topic in our first unit of paper 2. In this topic we are going to discuss about some tools which are going to used in servicing or repairing an electrical appliances. We are having number of tools, okay, we are having number of tools, but we are going to discuss some tools which are used mainly, okay. Let us see what are they. First one is voltage tester or tester, simply tester. This is used to check whether the power supply is in that equipment or not, okay. We are going to use whether the power supply is in that equipment or not. We are going to use a tool called voltage tester or simply tester. Next, screwdriver. Screwdriver is used to open or tighten the screws, okay. By opening or tightening the screws, we are going to open or fix the any appliances. If you want to open any appliances, we are going to use screwdriver to remove the screws from the appliances, okay. Next, hammer. Hammer is used to hit the any appliance or any nails, okay. We are going to utilize hammer majorly in piping, okay, electrical piping. We are going to use hammer for chipping, okay, for hitting the nails to hold the pipe, okay. For holding the pipe we are going to use clampers, and also we are going to use nails to hold the pipe with the help of clampers. To hit the nails we are going to use hammer. And also some appliances will not open, they are not going to open because of the jam in between the two junctions. Slightly what we will do, we will just we are going to just touch the, we are going to just hit the junction of any appliances with the hammer, so that any jam between the two junctions will be removed, okay. Next, wire stripper. Wire stripper is used to cut the insulated wires or any wires, okay. To cut the wire, to separate the wire, we are going to use wire stripper. Next, insulated combination plier. This is a insulated combination plier. Generally we say cutting plier. Cutting plier is used to cut the cables or also hold any objects, okay, any electrical objects, which is cutting plier also insulated with cutting plier is insulated, so that any electrical shocks going to be avoided. Next, nose plier. Nose plier is having a long nose which will enter wherever the cutting plier does not enters, okay. This nose plier is used to twist the junction, twist the two wires to joint the two wires, okay. Where our hand cannot go, our cutting plier cannot go, we are going to use our nose plier, okay. Next, hacksaw. Hacksaw is used to cut the electrical boards or cut the pipes, okay. Wherever we want to cut any object, we are going to use hacksaw blades, hacksaw frame, okay. Next, electrical drill machine. Electrical drill machine is used to drill any wall, drill any object we want, okay. For piping or for fixing any object, we are going to drill with the help of electrical drill machine, okay. These are the some of the most important tools in our electrical appliances for repairing or servicing any electrical appliances. These are the object pictures of electrical appliance. Here we can see spanners, screwdrivers, cutting plier. Okay, these are some of the examples. Here we are having some of the objects of electrical tools, okay, electrician tools. Combination nose plier, sorry, combination pliers, nose plier, screwdriver, hacksaw, drill machine, okay, and hammer, types of hammers, center punch. Okay, these are the some of the tools in electrical technician. Okay, students, by this we have completed our first unit in paper 2. From next class onwards, we are going to study about second unit in paper 2, that is heating appliances. If you have any doubts, please post your doubts below this video so that I can clear your doubts. Thanks for watching today's class.